Jai Gurudev student, good morning. Today we will take last part of this unit. This is electrochemical cell. As the definition of this one, the cell in which chemical energy generated from a redox reaction converted to electrical energy is called electrochemical cell. So from it is just like that the cells of battery, from that chemical energy to we are getting the electrical energy. So this type of cell is called your electrochemical cell. Now example, we are taking the Daniell cell. So here this one is your zinc rod, this one is copper rod, and this bridge that is connected this half cell and this half cell is called salt bridge. Now this salt bridge contains KCl, salt of KCl, maybe K2SO4 in agar-agar paste. This is semi-solid paste in this one is attached. Now student, we know in the reactivity series zinc is more reactive than copper. So there are two reactions takes place, one from rod, this is number 1, and from the solution this is number 2. Now this one contains your ZnSO4 solution, which convert to Zn dipositive, SO4 dinegative. This one contains CuSO4 solution, means it has Cu dipositive, SO4 dinegative. Now here also two types of reaction takes place, one from the rod to solution, solution to rod. The first reaction that we are talking about, that zinc dipositive that is present in the solution takes 2 electron to gives you the zinc. So this is reduction. Second reaction, this is first reaction, this one is second reaction, this is first reaction. Second reaction is your zinc from that zinc rod gives you zinc dipositive plus 2 electron. Here also one reaction, copper 2 positive takes 2 electron to gives you copper. Second reaction, from copper we are getting copper 2 positive plus 2 electron. Now this happens that in this one this oxidation reaction is dominating, in this one reduction reaction is dominating. Now if it happens the oxidation reaction is dominating, for example if it is 70%, it is 30%, then there is more electron takes place and more Zn dipositive takes place. So number of electron increases and number of Zn dipositive increases. So electron, the small thing, electron will come out via that external wire and we are getting a electricity on this wire. If you have a bulb there, bulb is starting to be glow. Now that zinc, extra zinc is neutralized by the chloride from this salt bridge. So this area is over. Now in this one dominating, for that there is a electron shortage. So electron shortage can be overcome, the electron is coming from the external circuit. And another point is here, there is SO4 dinegative is more than that of the Cu dipositive. So that SO4 dinegative is neutralized by potassium, that is forming potassium sulfate. So this is what about your Daniell cell. Now this cell can be represented like that. First we have zinc, then we have zinc dipositive ion, Then this is your salt bridge. Then we have copper dipositive ion. Then we have copper. Now the cell reaction, if I give this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, cell reaction is nothing but 1 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 4. So 1 plus 3 Zn plus Cu dipositive convert Zn dipositive plus Cu. This is cell reaction. This is how you have to write cell representation and cell reaction. Thank you.